Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 12. This module and next module, Module 13, we're doing our last modules of content, and it's tough content because it's formal commands. So this is a topic that even if you took a couple years of Spanish, you might not have seen this before. This is the topic that wouldn't usually be in a level 1 Spanish class, but because we're talking about dealing with patients, this is something that comes up all the time. So command is basically when you're saying to someone like, come here, sit here, do this, don't do this. It's like giving instructions, and it uses a different grammar than what we're used to using. So I really recommend that you start early on this module and start looking through materials. And the biggest thing to do is follow the formula. So there's a formula to form these, and we want to make sure we follow that. And also make sure you check the list of irregulars, because there's a list of irregular commands, and those we just have to memorize. And there's some of them are on the quiz, some of them are on the speaking assignment. So make sure you open that list of irregulars and keep it with you and just check, if whatever you are trying to say or write, just check if it's on that list of irregulars. So again, there's like a bunch of different things under the content, the readings, there's video. There's also video explaining why the formal commands are important. We don't want to be rude. We don't want to like demand people do things without using the formal forms for that. Again, there's information about the final project. Once you get through modules 12 and 13, that's the last topic that needs to be on the final project. So after the next two modules, you can start working on that. We have the homework packet. We have the last discussion board talking about pronouns. So make sure you get your initial post in by Wednesday. The speaking assignment that you need to use the command form for, and then the quiz like always. Like I said, this is a little bit different grammar. I recommend you start early. Email me if you have any questions, okay? And nos vemos pronto. Adios.